Welcome back to DAC Vans, and today we have a 2024 brand new unregistered Ford Transit L3H3 utility van. Comes complete with tow bar and the rear step. This just lifts out so that you can attach the trailer. Also got deadlocks to the load area on the vehicle. In the rear we have full height metal racking, plenty of adjustable shelves, and they also come with dividers as well. Got a nice hard wearing phenolic ply floor, and also grey polypropylene lining which doesn't absorb water, doesn't absorb any oil. This vehicle also comes with the towing axle, so it will tow a 3-ton trailer, giving a gross train rate of 6,500 kilos. You can see some of the dividers there for the racking. This vehicle also comes with a pair of LED light bars which are mounted on the roof of the vehicle. Again, this van has done just 148 miles. And we've got air conditioning in here as well, DAB radio, 6-speed manual gearbox, and the all-important driver's armrest. Vehicle is ready to go immediately, can be registered to you as the first registered keeper of the vehicle, benefiting from the full 3-year 100,000 mile Ford warranty. We do offer finance and we do offer nationwide delivery. If you require anything further, please give us a call on 01522 449 125.